Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create duplicate debtors for IOD bookings. When a debtor has an existing file at the practice and they book a new injury on duty or IOD booking, a duplicate debtor will need to be created. This allows the practitioner to record all the details regarding the IOD separately on the system, ensuring that the correct person is responsible for the payment of the account. The injury on duty file will contain separate information fields that will be needed when the IOD case is submitted. For example, a claim number, date of injury, and details relating to the injury. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. From the diary screen, double-click on a preferred time slot to make a booking for the IOD patient. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. The Add Edit Booking screen is divided into Booking Details and Debtor Details sections. For more information on how to make a new booking, please refer to the Book New Patient user manual linked in this video's description. We will proceed to the Debtor Details section. Click on the normal drop-down menu to select that the debtor is an IOD debtor. Select IOD from the options that have become available. Complete the details in the Debtor Details section. Please note that even though the patient already exists on the system, the debtor details still needs to be completed. For more information on how to create a new IOD debtor, please refer to the Create a New IOD Debtor user manual linked in this video's description. When entering a debtor's ID number that is already on the system, a warning will appear to advise existing debtors with similar ID numbers have been found. Click on the hamburger menu to see the details of a debtor whose details match the IOD debtor that the user wishes to make a new booking for. For a full explanation of the hamburger menu, please refer to the Duplicate Debtor Warning user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Save button when all the details of the IOD debtor have been added, even though there is a warning on the ID number field. Proceed and click on the Booked Patient's Booking. Click on the Debtor Add button on the diary sidebar. The Debtor Details screen will open. Click on the Save button. An intention pop-up will appear stating that the user is about to save a duplicate debtor and should provide a reason for doing so. Click on the Reason text field and complete the field with the relevant information. Click on the OK button to create a duplicate IOD debtor and return to the diary screen.